moving in slow motion. We're just floating. So
Hello everyone. Let's quickly do a demo tour of how the new interview assistant works. The site is shadowassistant.com. Let's go directly to download it. The size of the assistant is pretty small, so it's lightweight, and the installation is pretty smooth. We let it, we open it, it's from internet, and that's it. I'm recording from my mobile phone since this is invisible from screen recording tools. One great feature is that we can try without even log in. So we can continue as guests, and as guests we have like 3 hours. Now, how we move the small toolbar is with Command or Control in Windows and arrow keys. We can put it wherever we want. And we can see that the main features is listening to the interview conversation and taking a screenshot of our screen and sending it to get some answers. There are more features and stuff you can do, like add your resume. This needs to be registered. You can add some custom instructions to the AI model and more advanced settings of course, select model. We have those 4 models freely available for everyone, and English transcription language and programming language is Python. Okay, let's do a quick test. Let's start listening, and we need to allow it in the system settings, and okay.
Okay, so Sammy, here's my technical question for you. A farmer wants to farm their land with the maximum area where good land is present. The land is represented as a matrix with 1s and 0s, where 1s mean good land and 0s mean bad land. The farmer only wants to farm in a square of good land with the maximum area. Please help the farmer to find a maximum area of the land they can farm in good land. I'll paste the question, and that includes an example as well for you.
Awesome. May I take?
Okay, I have stopped it listening so that I can talk to you, and you saw the live transcription of the conversation, and in a real situation, after having the question, we should try to send to AI and solve. We can do 2 things, either click on the solve button or command enter, so that the interviewer cannot see what we do. In the answer we have some questions that we can ask to the interviewer. Here are some thoughts that can help us explain when trying to explain the answer. We can have a naive solution like a brute force solution that we usually do, and the real solution that uses dynamic programming, as I can see, and which is the correct to do. Let's also try, and the screenshot. Let's hide this. Okay, let's go and test and demo how to use the other very important feature, which is like to take a screenshot of what we see in the screen and send it to AI to get an answer. So let's go to LeetCode, And let's select a hard problem. Let's select the first one, lexicographically smallest generated string. I see here the answer is in Java, so we should select Java to get a Java answer. And yeah, since this is a hard problem, I strongly advise to use like GPT-5 mini and above, more powerful. I think mini is a good model with respect to the speed and performance, and we can close that. Okay, so let's take one screenshot, and since it has more below, let's take another screenshot. And now we have both screenshots, and we send to solve. It will need some time to analyze both screenshots, create one problem, and then start sending us back the answer. And yeah, let's see what it is this question about. It's about the screen. Okay, so we got the problem statement, and we have here, so it's streaming back to us some thoughts. This is good. We can say brute force in all words impossible. At the beginning, we always have a naive solution. Okay, it finished the streaming. So you saw it just needs like 30 to 40 to get an answer, and this is like the full answer. Okay, let's see class solution. So here, okay, let's copy and see how we can paste here. I pasted everything. We don't need this one. Also, we don't need this one. Also, we don't need these two. And these two. Let's see. Do we have everything? Everything. This one is from the class. So that means we can run. Let's check it. First time I have not do it before, and you see the answer is accepted. That's it, guys. I will be happy if you have any questions. You can send us and visit our site. You can download and try for free the program. And here you can send us whatever message you would like. Thank you.